feature Cody on an old-time banjo number now. And this is one I don't know if I ever told you, Cody, but I got to play this one with the man himself.
The man himself.
The man himself, Earl Scruggs. Tell us what inspired you to want to play this tune to start off. What was it?
Well, as you said, Earl Scruggs is often referred to as the man for the banjo, and he is one of my, if not my, all-time hero of the banjo, and one of the reasons why I play the banjo. And so knowing that we were going to be on the program this evening, I thought it was fit to pay tribute to the man himself, Mr. Earl Scruggs.
The Foggy Mountain Breakdown.